How to install the armourdog rugged case with hand and shoulder strap. First, locate and release the clips around the edge of the device. There are 8 of them, and that will enable you to remove the front frame. You then peel the silicone wrap back. Don't take it all the way off, just the top half. Line up the ports and the camera on your tablet and then install it into the main case. Take your time to pull the silicone wrap back in place around the edges of the tablet, and you can then line up the front frame and re-clip the 8 clips around the edge. Just take your time again to make sure these are in place and nice and secure. On the back of the tablet, there's an adjustable hand strap. You can adjust it for large hands like mine. And there's also an integrated kickstand, which you can use to place the tablet at various angles. There's an optional shoulder strap, so unpack that, and then you'll notice there are 4 holes around on the corners of the tablet, and you can pick 2 of those to install the strap into. Use the appropriate tool, or say a small screwdriver, to push the clip straps through, and then you loop the clip round to make a simple rudimentary knot to hold it in place. I'm not going to lie, this process is a bit difficult, but once it's in place they're very, very secure. You can then clip the clasps back onto the main shoulder strap. And that's pretty much it. Please get in touch if you have any questions about this product at all. Thank you.